Building muscle requires progressive overload, gradually increasing the weight, reps, or intensity over time. Picture yourself lifting heavier weights week by week, pushing your limits step by step. Building muscle requires progressive overload, gradually increasing the weight, reps, or intensity over time. Picture yourself lifting heavier weights week by week, pushing your limits step by step. Fuel your growth with protein. Lean chicken, fish, eggs, and shakes are your allies for muscle repair and growth. Pushing your muscles to their limits occasionally is key, but don't overdo it. Rest and balance are just as important. To maximize gains, increase your weekly training volume with more sets and reps. Muscles grow during rest, not workouts. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep and allow recovery time for each muscle group. Balance your macros with complex carbs, healthy fats, and proteins to power your workouts and recovery. Switch up your training phases to prevent plateaus. Alternate between hypertrophy, strength, and endurance. Feel your muscles working during each exercise. The stronger the connection, the better the activation. Consistency is the ultimate secret to success. Show up, stay committed, and trust the process.